Hey there, I'm Sarah with WTI, and I have found a truly unique and hysterical way for you to mark your wine glass or your beverage when you're having a party. These are tiny little drink charms from True Zoo, and this particular one is Cheese Please. It's a set of 6 individual and unique slices of cheese. What's more perfect to go with wine glasses or to mark your wine glass or your cocktail glass than a slice of cheese? These are so adorable, and I love the fact that they are unique. Each one is a different kind of cheese, and the details are remarkable. And because they're made of silicone, they widen to fit a variety of thicknesses. So you can use them on your wine glasses or martini glasses, or even on a thicker glass like a beer glass. I really love these for myself, but also to give as a gift. I love the fact that they're so unique, but useful. So if you are entertaining or you want to give these as a gift, whether you're a wine drinker or any other beverage, these versatile drink charms are definitely a must-have. They are so much fun, they are unique and very adaptable. You can fit on a variety of thicknesses and they won't budge. I love how they are literally a piece of cheese, please, and they are so much fun and a great conversation starter. So do yourself a favor, buy yourself one and another as a gift, because you will definitely find someone who's going to love these as much as you do, and that is my point of view.